What's going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. So we actually got a different kind of video today. I'm going to be showing my son, I'm going to let him do it, how to snake out a bathtub. You can see we got the water running in the bathroom sink. And the water's backing up there. Alright, you get your gloves on. Then sit down here. So that cover there, the overflow cover, it just pulls up. Yep, pull it up. There you go. Okay. So you're going to be running the cable with your right hand. Alright? Okay, so right now it's on reverse. Right? We're going to be doing it. Yep, you put on forward. So start spinning it. It's got the auto feed, so it's going to start spinning it. And then basically grab the cable with the other hand, yeah, and then you're going to guide it in the hole. So you want to make sure that it's going down, right? Spin it a little bit if you need to. Okay, now force it. Stop spinning, stop spinning. See how the cable's still coming out, right? So now you're going to want to probably get closer. So yeah, go up closer with the cable. Push it, push it, push it. Okay, so now you're going to pull it back just with the machine, not the cable. Okay. A little bit more. Okay, stop. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to grab, I like to grab the cable like this, almost like a hook, and yeah, and then put a good grip on it though. When you spin it forward, you're going to want to get right down. So, I like to have push your cable in a bit. Okay. So I like to have the machine right around there, right? So that for the most part, there's only room for your hand to grab. So sit this on your, now you can sit it on the side of the tub or your leg, doesn't matter. Okay, so make sure you got a good grip. We want to go forward, and then you're gonna pull it and you gotta try to force it in. Okay, because you're going through a trap. Okay, so if you got too much cable coming out, reverse it a bit. Like that. Yeah. Now put a good grip on it, like I said, and spin, and then you can spin. Okay, stop. Okay. Pull back. Yeah. Stop. So we're going to loosen up the barrel so it doesn't feed in. Okay. So now what's going to happen is you need to force it through. It's not going to feed out, so you need to force it through. Okay. Okay. Go. Yep. Oh, it's feeding out there. Okay, just pull the cable and put it in the machine, like force it in the machine. Keep going, keep going, keep going. So now try to force it in the hole now, the overflow. Yeah. Okay, so you're at that spot. Okay, so now again, you want to have a good grip on it, right? Down more, yeah, right there, and then tilt the machine, yeah, like that. Yeah, keep going. So now what you're going to do, you're going to, right here, you're going to pull that down and turn to the right. So now, yeah, that should turn the auto feed back on. So you still need to control the cable, okay? Okay, now go. Okay, stop. So the water's going down? Now, what I normally do is turn the water on in the bathtub, right?
Cold or hot?
You can go cold, that's fine. So just like that. Now, you're going to want to keep your glove out of the water, obviously, right? But feed it in some more. So you don't need to. So much feed it yourself. It will feed itself in if it's going down, right? So pull it back just a little bit with the trigger. So what you're going to want to do is line that up, right? So, okay, right? So if you can hold it right there like that, it's close enough where it should feed itself in. Pull it back. Okay, so that. A little bit more. So what you're going to have to do is hold the cable then, okay? You don't got to feed it, just hold it in position like that. See how it's going, right? Okay, so we should be good there. We're well within. So now you're going to turn the water back on. And then what I like to do is, you can back up a bit, right? I like to keep the cable under the water, just so it cleans it up, right? You don't even really need to, just pull it out. Once it gets close to a Keurig, come through the track, and then you'll want to kind of guide it in. So that's at the trap now, right? So keep going. Keep going. So a little bit slow, right? You don't want to bring it out super quick because we don't want anything to splash around. So a little bit quicker than that. Keep going. Keep going. You'll see it once it gets to the end. Right? Okay, so you weren't at the trap, now you're at the trap. Okay, pull it back a bit more. You can go a little quicker. Okay, you just came through, so keep coming out. Keep going. There you go. Okay, now you want to keep feeding it into the machine, but you don't want to go fast. Right, nice and slow, 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 slow. A little bit more. Okay, that should be good. Alright guys, we're going to do a little cleanup here, but how do you guys think Logan did? Let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, Logan, that drain guy, signing out. Dragna.